everybody, David Chesworth here, coming to you with some exciting news. We've been hard at work lately upgrading some of our fitness facilities, and I'm here today to give you a glimpse of what some of those look like. Come on, follow me into the functional gym here. You'll see right away we've made a few changes to this room. The first one that's going to pop out to you is the flooring change. We changed to an AstroTurf flooring. Some of you might be wondering, why AstroTurf? The number one reason we switched to the turf is it absorbs shock, so for high impact and low impact activities, much better on the joints. Then on this wall here, you'll see we've added new TRX bay units, which has increased the amount of TRX stations we can have while simultaneously improving storage space for this room. So here we are now in the strength room. Check it out. Just like the functional gym, we've also changed the flooring in here. So while we used to have a carpet flooring in here, we now have a fitness rubber tile flooring, which is perfect for lifting weights, perfect for absorbing shock, and perfect for holding heavy machines. We also have new kettlebells, these rubber kettlebells, which are more approachable, less intimidating, and a great way to get started if kettlebell is something that you're interested in. Also, something coming soon is a new Smith machine alongside of our cable weights that we've had. So now we're over here in the fitness locker rooms by the pool, functional and strength gyms, and you'll notice as you look around here that some upgrades have been made. We have new lockers, new marble seats, new marble countertops, and really the feeling in here resembles the Indigo Spa now. So now we're here standing in between the three rooms, the cardio room, the fitness studio, and the body mind studio, and all three of these rooms have some upgrades that I'm going to show you. First thing you'll notice in the cardio room is that we have new big screen TVs. The other big change that we have in there is the audio system is upgraded, so the sound quality is going to be much improved. Now if you go into the fitness studio here, the first thing you'll notice is that the floor is wide open. One wall has been used to store all of our aerobic style equipment. Fit balls, aerobic steps, medicine balls stored on this wall for this open floor space for our dance classes. The touch-up we made in here is we've turned this wall into a mirror and added the ballet bar. So this room now not only does yoga, Pilates, stretch and relaxation, but we also have bar fit in this room as well. Thanks for joining me on this video tour. I hope you enjoyed the upgrades you saw, and I can't wait for you to try them out for yourselves. See you next time.